So I'm finally getting around to installing my new no-dig garden bed out front. And these are the cardboard boxes that I have been collecting over the past few months. I'll show you what to do with these. Yeah, it's January 27th. Air birds chirping. I know I'm being deceived, but it sounds like spring and it makes me happy. So I'm just going to allow myself to be deceived right now. So I'm bringing some of the bricks in the backyard up to the front to weigh down the cardboard boxes. And this is my moment of distraction here, which happens when gardening. But I'm measuring out my existing garden bed here, and so that I can get the right measurement for the new garden bed that I want to install. So I'm trying to get them about the same size. And basically with the no-dig method, you are laying down cardboard to smother the grass and the weeds. So after I finish measuring, I'm going to prepare my cardboard by removing any tape and labels, including the brown tape that's may look like it's safe to use, but it still may have some plastic or some glue, so I make sure to remove that from the cardboard, and then I break down the boxes and flatten them out. And here I'm just placing the cardboard in the location where I'm going to want to have my install my garden. And then I weigh them down with those bricks that I'll show you soon. Normally you would water the cardboard and get it wet, but we have some rain in the forecast, so I'm going to let the free rain, the free water that I get from the rain, wet the cardboard. So I'm just showing you, I'm just laying these out, and I'm taking the time to overlap the cardboard so that I'm minimizing any space and gaps in the area where I'm going to have the garden bed. So you do want to take the time. I do have some gaps here, so I'm not done with this. I ran out of cardboard boxes, but I am going to layer in another layer of cardboard over the next few weeks. And so here you just see where I'm taking the bricks from the backyard and using them to hold down the cardboard so that it doesn't blow away. But again, once that rain comes in, rain, snow, whatever we're getting in the forecast, it'll help to weigh down the cardboard. So after I get this all laid out and all done, it's not done yet. There's still some more that I need to lay in, but this is kind of giving me an idea of what the garden bed's going to look like. Then I'll come in and layer it over with some mulch and some compost and some soil, and then it'll be ready for me to garden in it. So as forecasted, we got some rain. So the rain got the cardboard good and wet. I still need to add more cardboard to finish out the bed layout and to fill in those gaps that you see. You really need to fill in the gaps because otherwise that's space for weeds and grass to grow up through. So I'm just going to put in another layer of cardboard to make sure those gaps are filled in and finish out the bed. This is a relatively inexpensive project. If you save your cardboard from your packages, if you time it around, a good rain to soak in the cardboard, it's a pretty inexpensive project. The next steps is, like I said before, is where it'll start to cost a little bit more because I'll start layering in the mulch and the compost and the soil. But I'll show that part of the process in an upcoming video. So thanks for watching.